Your fly was down.
Your fly is open, Geller.
របៀបនិយាយប្រាប់នរណាម្នាក់ថាអ្នកផ្លេចរូតខោហើយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស 1. Your fly is down. Your fly is down. 2. Your fly is open. Your fly is open. 3. Your zipper is open. Your zipper is open. 4. Your zipper is unzipped. Your zipper is unzipped. 5. You forgot to zip your pants. You forgot to zip your pants.
To ignore your fly being open.
His fly was down, but I think it was...
Fly's open.
My fly's open.
Your fly's open.
Down. Come on, we're gonna be late.
I was down for the whole show.
Fly's down.
No, it isn't. By the way, Your Honor, your fly is down.
His fly's open, man.
Did you know your fly is down? Did you know your fly is down?
And your fly still open?
Right, your fly is down.
What?
Your fly's open, Jack.
Your fly's down.
His fly's down.
Your fly is down, yeah.
Your fly is down.
Your fly is down.
Your fly is down.
Right.